Hello everyone, my name is Corey Holcomb, also known as the Pie Guy, and I'm excited to introduce an engaging, interactive mathematics presentation I've designed specifically for middle and high school students. With several years of experience in education as a certified math teacher and also as a private tutor, I've seen firsthand the impact that fun, hands-on learning can have on students' confidence and curiosity in math. My presentation, The Pie Guy, Mental Math, Memory, and the Magic of Numbers, will combine live performance, student interaction, and also standards-based instruction to create a unique learning experience that's both entertaining and educational. Highlights of this presentation include a live recitation of the first 500 digits of pi to demonstrate memory techniques and also capture some attention. Also included are mental math challenges, such as being able to calculate the day of the week for anyone's date of birth. Also, interactive games and lessons will be included that engage students in critical thinking and pattern recognition. And all of this will be content aligned with state math standards, woven into each lesson to support classroom goals and curriculum pacing. The program is highly flexible. I can tailor it for grade level presentations, individual classrooms, or even special events depending on your school's needs. I also customize content specifically for middle or high school audiences, ensuring that the material is age appropriate, engaging, and aligned with students' developmental levels. My goal is to reinforce classroom learning while showing students that math is not only powerful, but also genuinely exciting. If you're interested in bringing this program to your school, I'd love to connect with you. I can be reached at my email, which is meetthepieguy@gmail.com, which I'll include in the description below. And I'm happy to provide you with more details, references, or even a simple session outline. Thank you for your time and consideration. I look forward to the opportunity to work with your students and staff to spark a deeper appreciation for mathematics. Thank you very much. This is the Pie Guy signing out.